This is a relay model, and in this video, I'm going to explain how it works and how you can use it with an Arduino. Before I connect this to anything, let's look at the pins really quick. On this side, you have the side that goes to the Arduino. You have negative, which is ground, positive, that's like the 5 volt, and the S, and that is the signal pin. So, for example, D2 or any other digital pin where you can turn on and off the switch. The relay itself is just a magnetic switch that can be controlled by a microcontroller, for example, like an Arduino. Now let's look at the other side where we have this terminal. Here we have another 3 pins. One is the normally open. So this pin is normally open. In the default state, it's open and is not connected to the COM pin. So the COM pin is your power. For example, your 5 volt from an external battery. And the normally open is not connected to the COM pin in the normal state. That's how you remember them. The normally closed is actually connected to the COM and it is in a closed state by default. So since this is not powered or connected to anything, I'm going to use my multimeter to just show you this really quick. And here you can see the COM and the normally closed pin are connected together, but the COM and the normally open are not. Now let's wire this up and see how it works. Now I just finished wiring everything together. Let me show you what we have. This is the Arduino, really simple. Here we have the Arduino side of the relay. We're using ground, 5 volt, and digital pin 2. So this is digital pin 2, ground, and 5 volt. Nothing special here. We have our battery, which is external power supply. You don't want to connect a DC motor directly to the Arduino. It might work, but I do not recommend it because this is a very high current, and that's why I'm using an external power supply, or this battery in this case. You can see the positive side, if I can get this wire out of the way so you can see better. The positive side of the power supply going into the COM pin. That is the middle pin. And the ground of the power supply is connected to the DC motor. And now the other side of the DC motor is connected to the normally open. Again, think of this as a switch, right? Normally open, so an open switch state in the default state is normally open. So the reason I connected this to the normally open, because when the relay is not powered on or there's no signal, I don't want the motor to be on. I only want the motor to turn on when I send a signal into digital pin D2. So you get the idea. And there's the normally closed, which does the opposite. But again, this is the other side of the motor going to the normally open, and then the positive of the power supply to the COM pin, which is the middle pin. I'm leaving the normally closed unused at this point. This wire came off. I need to fix that. Then I'm going to turn this on and show you how it works. Okay, now I fixed the wire. Let me turn this on. And initially, my Arduino is going to turn it on for 5 seconds, then turn it off for another 5 seconds. So you can see when I turn it on, hopefully you can still hear, the Arduino is turning this on for 5 seconds, then switching it off for another 5 seconds. This is for pin digital pin D that I'm controlling, and this is just a switch basically. You can use this, by the way, with other electronics or other, like even electricity, like light bulbs and things like that. So that's a relay switch and how you can control it. This is it for this one. I will leave it there. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in the next one.